Do you want to create a professional LinkedIn profile that stands out? Imagine having a profile that not only showcases your skills, but also attracts the attention of potential employers and colleagues. Well, it's not as complicated as it seems. Today, we're going to break down the process of creating a LinkedIn profile into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, focus on having a professional photo. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and in this case, it's your first impression. Ensure it's a recent, high-quality image that clearly shows your face. Dress professionally, and remember, a warm and welcoming smile never goes astray. Secondly, craft a compelling headline. This isn't just your job title, it's a snapshot of your professional identity. Use keywords relevant to your industry, highlight your skills, and hint at your career goals. It's about creating intrigue and encouraging viewers to read further. Next, we move on to the summary. This is your chance to tell your story. Highlight your experience, skills, and ambitions. Make it engaging and personable. Remember, people connect with stories, not just lists of qualifications. Now, onto the experience section. Here, detail your work history, but don't just copy and paste your resume. Instead, focus on achievements, projects, and responsibilities. Use bullet points for clarity and readability. Education and certifications come next. Be sure to include any degrees, courses, or certifications that are relevant to your career. If you're a recent graduate, you might want to detail relevant coursework or projects. Then, showcase your skills. LinkedIn allows you to list up to 50 skills, but focus on quality over quantity. Choose skills that are most relevant to your career goals and have been endorsed by others. Don't forget to ask for recommendations. These are personal testimonials from colleagues, managers, or clients. They add credibility and offer a glimpse into how you operate in a professional setting. Finally, engage with the LinkedIn community. Join groups related to your industry, follow companies you're interested in, and share articles and updates that reflect your professional interests. In summary, a standout LinkedIn profile starts with a professional photo and compelling headline. Tell your story in the summary and showcase your experience, education, and skills. Ask for recommendations and engage with the community. Remember, LinkedIn is more than just a digital resume. It's a platform for networking, learning, and growing in your career. So, are you ready to create a LinkedIn profile that truly stands out? With these simple and easy-to-follow steps, you're well on your way to showcasing your professional self in the best light possible. There's no better time than now to start building your personal brand on LinkedIn. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is the first step towards your next big career move.